Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to contact YouTube creator support live chat. So I'll be showing you two ways how you can access this. So let's get started. So first thing, make sure that you have signed in with the Google account that you have your YouTube channel. After doing that, just search for YouTube creator support chat. We'll be getting this first link from support.google.com. Click it, and in this particular site, if you just scroll down, at the end we will be having this contact us. Click it, and here we are having three options which we need to fill before going to the live chat. So this is the first way. The second way is going to be, you must come to your YouTube Studio dashboard, and here to the top we are having help. Click it, and here also if you just scroll down we'll be having contact us. Select it, and here also we are having the exact same options. What can we help with? Resources, contact options. And here also same thing. So this just appears much big. So once you have reached this place, first thing you need to mention, tell us what we can help with. So basically you just need to type the query or the doubt that you are having related to YouTube. So in my case I will just go with tax forms fill up. Okay, this can be anything. Just type the query that you have and click on next. So based upon what you have typed, it will automatically generate some matching pre-existing issues. So here you can see, right, I just typed tax form fill up, so it's giving up topics or commonly asked questions related to tax form, like AdSense payment, issues with release, earning discrepancies. So you just need to choose any one of these corresponding to that particular question that you want to ask. So I will just go with AdSense payment troubleshooting. So I think that is much more related to the issue. So after that, this next step will be getting enabled. Click it, and here it will give some necessary resources, basically articles related to that. If you are fine with this, just click on read more and you can just read it through. So in some cases the resources that it gives here may solve your doubts and you don't have to like go to the chat at all, because it's really accurate, directly giving the resources. And even if you get any doubt related to this, just click on next step, and here we are having the chat options. One is email and another one is chat. So if you click on chat, you will be getting the live chat. Just click on chat. So after you click on chat, basically you must fill all the necessary details. Okay, first name, last name, your channel URL with the example that they have given, and you just need to say how the support team can help us with. And after that, here we are having, is your issue specific about a video? So if it is no, you can simply check on no and go on. But if your issue is specific to a video, you just need to click on yes, and after that you need to put the video ID, which is the 11 characters following the question mark v equal to in your video URL. So basically you just need to copy the link of the URL and paste the last 11 characters following v equal to over here. If it's not specific, just click on no and that particular text field will disappear. Okay, so if you are looking to appeal for a yellow sign, I'm not, so you just need to click on no. And after that, here we are having, please attach a file to describe an issue. So in case if you are having any files or images or like screenshots, you can simply upload them here so that the support team person can use it as a reference and get more context related to that issue. So just fill it up. So once you are done filling all the necessary information, you can just click on submit, and we are getting this Google support chat box over here, and it says we are number one in the line. So in some cases, if a lot of people are there, it will like ask us to wait. And as you can see here, we have successfully connected, and now if we just type anything, a real person will be like answering our questions. So that's the video, guys. This is how you basically like connect with the YouTube creator live chat do check the playlist of my channel. There are a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.